Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. So next part of the question number 1, question number part 15. Integral I is equal to e power x sin x cos x. Here we see that there are three functions, and in by parts we deal with product of two functions. So we make them 2. So here 1 over 2 e power x 2 sin x cos x, that is 1 over 2 e power x sin 2x dx. 2 sin alpha cos alpha, that is equal to sin 2 alpha. So here first function, second function. According to INET, trigonometric comes first before exponential. So if you want to write this one 2x e power x dx, means you want to take first function, second function, no problem at all. But if you want to take this function first, this second, also okay, no problem, because trigonometric and exponential both are periodic functions, and periodic functions we can replace as a first function or second function with themselves. दोनों periodic हैं, तो इसमें से कोई भी आप इसको 1 और 2 रख लो तो आपकी कैलकुलेशन पर, आपकी सिंप्लीफिकेशन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So if you want to write this first, second, it's okay. If you want to write this first and this second, even then it's okay. It is okay. No problem at all. So I am taking this one first function, second function. लिख दिए तो it's okay, no problem. Here u is equal to sin 2x, v is equal to e power x. 2 cos 2x, integral of e power x is e power x. Since u v dx, u integral of v dx minus integral of v derivative of u dx. So replace the values here. I is equal to 1 by 2 into u integral of v minus integral of v derivative of first. So this value is 1 by 2 e power x sin 2x minus 2 and 2 cancelled. So we have e power x cos 2x dx. Again here we have e power x cos 2x. यहाँ पर आपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक को फर्स्ट फंक्शन रखा तो यहाँ पर भी राइट. here 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus cos 2x e power x, first function, second function. Here u is equal to cos 2x, v is equal to e power x minus 2 sin 2x, and integral of this one is e power x. Replace the value. So I is equal to 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus u integral of v minus integral of v derivative of one over 2 e power x sin x minus e power x cos 2x minus plus 2 e power x sine 2x. Now here, integral of e power x sine 2x. Integral of e power x sine 2x. This is equal to what? If I write it here, 2I is equal to, so it means I can replace this value by 2I. So it means that 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus e power x cos 2x plus 2 into 2I. Here you may write that since I is equal to 1 over 2 e power x sin 2x dx. Oh, here यहाँ पर आप बेशक क्वेश्चन नंबर दे दो. So here the sign is here minus, minus, plus and minus. So here minus sign and also minus sign. This one is I. I is equal to 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus e power x cos 2x plus 4I. Take 4I here. I plus 4I 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus e power x cos 2x 5I 1 over 2 e power x sin x minus sin 2x. So here just divide this 5 and we get the answer here. Divide this 5 on both sides. I is equal to 1 over 10 e power x sin 2x minus 1 over 5 e power x cos 2x. This will be our required answer. इसमें एक चीज़ और होगी, ये हो सकती है कि आप cos 2x की वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर दो, फॉर्मूला लगा दो डबल आइडेंटिटी का. But there is no need. This is also your answer. Dividing 5. So यहाँ पर again I tell you e power x sin x cos x. So make this one a formula. 2 से multiply divide किया sin 2x आता है. Sin 2x means that e power x, this one first function, second function, or if you want to take this first function, second function, दोनों का मीनिंग सेम रहेगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जो इजी है वो आप उसको कर लो दोनों से. Sin 2x means 2 cos 2x and e power. वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर दिया आपकी 1 over 2 as it is and u integral of d minus integral of d derivative of u. इसको आपने सिंपल सिंप्लीफाई किया. यहाँ पे अगेन हमारे पास फॉर्मूला लगेगा, इसको किया. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 2 into integral of e power x sin 2x. Here we have y is equal to 1 over 2 into integral of e power x sin 2x. It means that integral of e power x sin 2x is equal to 2i. So replace the value here 2i. 2 into 2i, that is 4i. 4i. So take this 4i from right to left. So here we have adding. We are adding. So that is 5. Dividing 5, we get the answer. So this is the इसका एक और पार्ट ट्राई करके हूँ सॉल्व कर लूँ. I solved the 17 part, that is I is equal to x cos square x dx. Again हमने cos square के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं पहले भी. इंटीग्रल के at that time I told you that when we have the square of sine and cos, so we try to replace and we replaced by their half angle identity. सो वो हमारे पास क्या आता है इसका भी इंटीग्रल ऑफ x 1 प्लस cos 2x डिवाइड बाय 2 dx और x by 2 dx plus integral x cos 2x by 2 dx, or we can write again here this is a simple integration. Here we have first function, second function, because it is algebraic, and here we have trigonometric. So trigonometric is the second, algebraic is the first. So इसको आपका 1/2 integral of x, that is x square by 2 plus 1/2 x cos 2x dx. Here first function, second function, u is equal to x, v is equal to cos 2x, derivative is 1, integral is cos is the integral of sin 2x divided by 2. So formula we know that u into integral of v minus integral of v derivative of u. So I is equal to u, ये remaining part remains same. So 1/4 x square plus 1/2 into ux integral of u cos 2x, that is sin 2x divided by 2 minus integral, again integral of v derivative of u. So here we can write as 1/4 x square plus 1/4 x sin 2x minus 1/4 sin 2x 1/4 x square plus 1/4 x sin 2x minus 1/4. Integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus constant integration. So 1/4 x square plus 1/4 x sin 2x plus 1/8 cos 2x plus constant integration. So this is our answer. I will try to repeat the value again. यहाँ पर हमारे पास x cos square x we have. So when we have the square of cos and tan, so we have to change this square, and we have a formula that is half angle identity, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So when we apply this x on both the whole term, so x by 2 dx plus integral of x cos 2x divided by 2 dx. 1/2 x plus this is dx also plus 1/2 x cos 2x. 1/2 integral of x is x square by 2 plus 1/2 first function, second function. So here first function is u, second function is v. So derivative of first, integral of second. Formula we have. So 1/4 x square, this value, plus 1/2, within bracket we apply this formula here. X sin 2x over 2 u integral of v minus integral of v derivative of u. So 1/4 x square plus 1/4 x sin 2x minus 1/4 integral of sin 2x dx. Same as it is, minus 1/4 Integral of sine 2x, that is minus cos 2x divided by 2. So here 4. Here we can also use the value of cos 2x double identity, that is 2 sin square x minus 1 or 1 minus this one, 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus sin. But it's okay, this is also one answer. इसमें अगर problem हो तो आप discuss